So here we are. I'm not very photogenic, but I refused my pop-ins a few days ago, and my teeth are pretty nasty. So we are gonna pop them in. The only problem I've had is a couple little canker sores where my poor mouth is not used to having so many teeth. So I'm gonna pop them in. Okay, top set. And the bottom set feels kind of weird. So here we go. This is my new smile. It's kind of weird. I'm very self-conscious and I have a little lisp, which is a little bit annoying, but overall I'm really happy with them. Yeah, I smile and I have a good smile now, and I haven't been able to smile in so long, so I want to say thank you. Best money I've spent. As I said, a couple of little sharp areas, but I think my mouth will get used to them the longer I wear them. Hi, this is my smile. Thank you.